Next, in Cardiff city centre, traders and local politicians are voicing frustration over what they call an insufficient compromise by the City Council on plans to cut free parking across several neighbourhoods. Cardiff Council initially announced last year that it was considering removing free parking at various locations, including car parks in Cardiff, Whitchurch and Canton. Under a revised proposal now out for consultation, the council plans to reduce the current 2 hours of free parking to just 30 minutes. Zoaib Hussain, chair of the Cowbridge Road East Traders Association, said the existing 2-hour allowance was perfect for shoppers and essential for businesses that rely on foot traffic. Plans to turn Cardiff Bay's historic Mount Stewart graving docks into an outdoor swimming and sauna complex appear to have stalled. First revealed in December 2022, the proposal from Finnish firm Nordic Urban includes heated and unheated floating pools, a sauna, changing facilities and a restaurant and bar. Despite stating in April this year that the project would very much go ahead, the company has yet to submit a planning application to Cardiff Council. Nordic Urban did not respond to recent requests for comments. Back in April, the company said that they intended for the development to go ahead. As parts of Wales brace for yet another wave of intense heat, some communities are taking matters into their own hands by opening designated cool spaces to help residents cope. The news comes as Natural Resources Wales declared drought conditions in southeast Wales following the driest 6-month period in decades. Welsh Water have said there were no plans for restrictions to be placed on the use of water. However, it urged people to take precautions in the heat. A proposal to build 28 new homes on a disused industrial site in Crosskeys has been backed by Caerphilly County Borough Council's Planning Committee. Developer Rainbow Development submitted the plan for the site at Newtown Industrial Estate, which includes 25 houses, 2 one-bedroom apartments and a bungalow. The existing vacant unit on the site is set to be demolished. At a committee meeting on the 13th of August, Planning Officer Anthony Pine acknowledged concerns about the loss of employment land, but said the site had proper prospects for reoccupation under its current industrial classification.